So if you also have appointments problem, that means your business isn't generating enough leads and appointments and sales, then my friend, this is the most important video you should watch so that you can book hundreds of appointments every single month for your business. What if I told you I myself have invested just 300 rupees on ads, that is $3-4, and got 30,000 rupees of client when I started my ads for the first time. But most of the people, they might know how to run ads, but only 0.1% people know how to make their ads actually perform to get results and returns, because you can't just burn money on ads. You need to get returns, you need to get ROAS, so that you are in a profitable zone, so that you can get money out of it. You have the money to reinvest for the second month, you have the money to manage your expenses, and you take some money to your home as well. And that is what business is about. This single two-step funnel helped me book more than 800 plus appointments, you can see in the screenshot. And I am not really sure, but we have generated around 7 figures of revenue just by spending 1,000 to 5,000 rupees every single day booking high quality appointments. It's not about how much you are spending, it's about also how much you are getting returns out of that. And at the front end, you are going to be in loss only. The money that you make is through the product that you sell on the back end. I sell 1.5 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees of products at the back end. And even out of 100 calls, if we get only 1, 2, 3 people also, we are sorted. We have made our 5 to 10x to 15x of revenue, whatever we spend on ads. So this is what it requires. And I want you to follow this structure that I have shared you, and you can create your whole funnel. And I want you to follow this structure so that you can create your funnel and can generate hundreds of appointments for your business as well.